Hi guys! So ngayon, gumagawa na naman tayo ng raisins cake guys. So dito sa container guys, nilagyan natin yan ng 3 eggs, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of cooking oil or vegetable oil, 2 cups of flour or cake flour, then 1 cup of raisins guys. So yan, tingnan nyo guys. So dito naman sa molder natin guys, nilagyan ko yan ng parchment paper, tapos side guys, pinahiran ko yan ng mantika para hindi didikit mamaya. So ibibake natin to guys in 250 degrees for about 50 minutes. But again guys, you have to check. Maybe lesser than 50 minutes. So you have to check guys sa toothpick kung luto na ba siya. So yan lang guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang final nito sa short video ko. So see you guys. Bye.